What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I.
Hey guys, it's Carsa Cardeen and welcome to another vlog. So, I had big plans today, but Mother Nature, it's raining. But anyway, we're on our way to get, well, not we. Romain is on his way to get Cryo for his knee. Now, you guys have seen other vlogs. If you haven't, go check them out. We have like about 2 where we get Cryo. I had a Cryo facial before, and also the full body. His knee is just bugging and giving him a little bit of, you know.
Listen, I ran into a woman named Tanya Harding, and she clubbed me in the knee. And you guys should know who Tanya Harding is, okay? If you don't know, Google Tanya Harding clubbing people in the knee. So she was just jealous of my beautiful knee and clubbed me in the knee.
Anyway, so we're on our way there for him to get a little bit of Cryo on his knee and possibly on his back, to see if that can alleviate the pain. They said it works. We don't know. We're about to see and see how he feels afterwards, or you know, in a couple of days or so. But it's nothing major. It's, you know, just something that he needs to attend to like right now. But let's go. Oh my gosh, it's raining. It is raining. Oh, and how dare I wear white sneakers. Oh my gosh. At least I got dropped off and I'm about to wait right here for him. So this is one of my favorite spots. I just absolutely love coming here, you know, for brunch or, you know, dinner or just to shop. And like I said, my friend has a business called CAV, which is the cryo therapy, and that's where we're going today. But you guys have seen in the vlog before, me at Buena Vista.
Hold on a second, hold on.
Take off your robe.
Wait.
No, take off your
Can I
robe.
pop the...
Yeah, pop it. He's like,
Oh, shut up! You're like a 2-year-old.
Wait, I forgot. This is that cool.
You're like a 2-year-old. Shut up.
Wait, I gotta put my lobster claws.
Okay, so watch your head. Lower your head for a second. Perfect. Wait, so it's what? It's strawberries, coconut?
Coconut milk and strawberry acai. That's it. It's only 2 ingredients from Starbucks. It's so good.
I was just trying to be cool, but...
You're so dramatic.
Oh my God, something fell. La culebra fell.
La culebrita.
Culebrita, la anaconda. La anaconda fell.
Garden snake. Garden snake.
Not the baby snake.
It's such an idiot.
You're a woman.
And Tatsika, I'm coming for you.
Oh, whatever.
No, original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Just say no. Just say yeah. Original bad man. Body nice.
See, I got them, yo, them.
So guys, today I'm in a neighborhood called Upper Buena Vista. And the reason why I'm taking you guys into this neighborhood is because this neighborhood have a lot of amazing homes. And the reason why the homes are amazing and the reason why the neighborhood is amazing too is because it is in proximity to the design district. Now the design district is so close that you could actually walk to that neighborhood. Now if you want to get into this neighborhood, I suggest you do. And if you have the funds to get in, you could get in with about $500,000 right now because the homes are definitely going up. They are remodeling these homes, making them into $1 million homes. As you can see, this one adjacent where I'm standing, and these homes are going for top dollars. But there are some still available that if you want to get into this neighborhood, you definitely can. So if you do, don't forget to let me know and I'll definitely get you in.